Hello guys. When we talk about the speaking test, we are not just talking about how you speak, how fluent you are in English language, but we are assessing you on certain skills, certain personality traits and clarity in English language. So there are a lot of unsaid, unseen things that are being tested in the speaking test. Each one of us try our best to give the maximum output we can during those 12 to 14 minutes when we are sitting next to the examiner. We have learned new words, we have learned new phrases, we have tried to hone our personalities in certain ways, and now is the time, the best opportunity when we can just throw out everything on the examiner in order to impress him. And that's the chance, guys. Some people say that do not gulp out everything, stay restrained, try to control certain things. No, do not. That is the time. You do not know what will work for you. Try to do every single thing that you have learned during this time, during maybe 1 month, 2 months of IELTS practice. Whatever you have learned, try to give it out in some way or the other way, smartly though, not jokingly or very casually to the examiner, so that you can get those bonus points, those brownie points. Before I proceed to the main strategies or the main skills that you must have, basis which you are assessed in the exam, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I am uploading many new videos every day, every single week, so you do not miss on anything. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and let's proceed to the now main part of the video. So guys, the experts and the other IELTS practitioners, the teachers, they have been stressing upon certain skills that I spoke about in the initial part of the video. You have to be clear about things like your personality, how you carry yourself, body language, how you dress up. Coming to another category apart from your personality traits is the English language, your vocabulary, your clarity in the language, pronunciation, parts of speech, the grammatical errors, whether you're making them or you are still, quite knowledgeable about the grammar language. This is about the English skills. Thirdly, how promptly you answer, how well you can think, how much clarity do you have about the questions, and also the content, the things that you are speaking out. These things play an important role in the speaking test. It is not just one-to-one conversation, it is more to that. So let me pick up a few things and describe you. Coming to vocabulary, the basic fundamental part that you must actually work on. Normal English, we may know, we might not know. But while you are learning, while you are honing your English skills, try to learn a few new words. Those words that are distinct, that are not used often in the normal conversation. It could be anything. It could be like nostalgia. It could also be managerial skills, or any XYZ word that is uncommon. Try to learn that and make the correct usage of that word during the conversation, during the exam. Do not just try to adjust that word anywhere that you feel like, so that the examiner is impressed, oh, he or she knows that words. No, it doesn't make sense. You'll be called stupid in that case. So one is vocabulary. Then when I said clarity, I meant that there should be, yes, a little bit clarity in thought on what you are saying. Even if you are confused, it's okay. Try to make your English language smooth and fluent. You should not be using words like things like that. Try to reduce them and make one sentence, make two sentences, but that should be like quite clear and fluent. Apart from that, talking about the body language, your face shouldn't reflect confusion or nervousness. You should be happy. You should be confident. Even if you do not know anything, stay confident. So that is the the strategy when it comes to personality. Dress up well. Don't go very casual. Try to wear a nice suit. Try to wear a jacket in case, a nice t-shirt. But your look should be impressive. Coming to the times, What will you do if you do not know an answer? What will you do if you do not get the question right? See, in the cases when you cannot hear the question well or there is some misinterpretation, say, pardon, can you please repeat your question? Or may I request to repeat your question? And then hear the question again. If you are confused, you have heard the question well, you do not know the answer, then again you can ask buffer time. How? By asking the examiner to repeat the question. Now the intention is not to hear the question again, but the intention is to grab that time to think of the answer. And even if you can get a small answer, that works. The examiner might encourage you to say more, then you can, speak anyhow, any details that you want to give further. But in any of the two cases, in either of the cases, please do not say, I do not know the answer. Once a while, it makes sense, it's okay. But do not repeat saying that, I don't know. What does that mean? Don't say that. Okay? And then coming to the last part, be careful that your language is formal. You do not say Hindi and then English or your native language and then English. Do not mix it up. Do not juggle it. Be focused on the English language, and then no slangs, no abbreviations. Okay, this is not typing or messaging going on. You are in a formal examination, so your language, your choice of words should be formal in nature. Your conduct should be formal in nature. And also initiate the conversation by greeting your examiner and saying thank you while you leave the examination hall. So these are the basic strategies, the basic fundamentals behind the speaking test. If you can work on them really well and good, and you will score an excellent band in IELTS speaking test, I can assure you that. But if you miss on certain things and you grab certain things, then it's like this kind of condition in the band of IELTS. So I hope this helps you. I hope you practice these and follow the videos religiously. You can write your queries to me in the comment section of the video, and please subscribe to my channel. I have created a full IELTS course playlist 2021-2022 since we are on the end of 21. So this is going to help all the IELTS test takers of 2022 batch. Do visit my playlist. It is specifically made and you have all the videos under this playlist. Stay tuned for more videos.